Welcome to Hands-on Equations, Fractions, Lesson 11. In this lesson, we are going to have terms with an unknown on both sides of our equation. So our first equation is 3y minus 1/2 of y plus 3 equals 1/2 of y minus 17. So my fractional part is 1/2, so I will be solving for 1/2 of y and y. So as I'm setting up this problem, I see that I start with 3y, and now I need to take 1/2 of a y away. And so I will replace that with the 1/2 that would remain, and then my 3 on this side. So this is my setup for 3y minus 1/2 of y plus 3 equals 1/2 of y minus 17. All right, so now I want to start isolating my fraction blocks. So I'm going to start by getting rid of this 3, and I would do that by putting a -3 on both sides. Those two are gone. A -17 and a -3 gives me a -20 on this side. And now I can perform another legal move, which is removing my 1/2 fraction block from each side. So I am left with this setup, and we see that each of my yellow blocks, since 2 of them are equal to -20, each of my yellow blocks is worth -10, and my red blocks are worth half of that, and so 1/2 of y is equal to -5, y is equal to -10, and now I'll set that back up to do the check. So when I do my check, I see that my y is worth -10, so I have -10, -20, and -5 gives me -25. -25 and a +3 gives me -22. And on this side, I have -17 and a -5, which also gives me -22 for my check. Our next problem is y plus 2/3 y minus 1 equals 1/6 y minus 19. So I will be solving for my 1/6 and my 1/3 and my y so that I can set this up for my check. So I see that I'm going to need to use my common denominator of 6 in this problem. So here is my setup for the equation, and now I'm going to perform my legal moves. So I'm going to get rid of this one by replacing it, or by putting a positive on each side. So this now becomes -18. And now I want to get rid of my fraction block, and so I can replace one of my blue blocks with 2 green blocks, since those are equivalent fractions, 1/3 and 2/6. And now I can remove 1 green block from each side of the scale. How you proceed from here is up to you and your comfort at this point with fractions. We could go ahead and exchange the yellow blocks and the blue blocks for green blocks so that we could figure out what our 1/6 of y equaled, or we can go ahead and do that mentally. So we know that a yellow block is equal to 6 green blocks, and that a blue is equal to 2 greens. So we have a total with that 6, 2, and 1. We have a total of 9 green blocks on the left side, and then we have a -18 on this side. So that would give each green block a value of -2. Then each blue block would have a value of -4, and our yellow would have a value of -12. So now I've set up my original equation to do the check. And since my yellow block is worth -12, I have -12, and a -4 is -16, and then another -4 is -20, and then this becomes -21, and oops, I forgot to put my 1/6 up here. So then I have a -2 and a -19, which also gives me a -21 for my check. At this point, you can do your work for lesson 11.